Hey guys, sorry about that. My video stopped recording. It literally just stopped recording when I moved my phone. So it's a video size reach limit thing. So this is a part 2 real quick of how to take the bridle off. So I'm at the bridle part. So where was I? Okay. Usually I don't have a halter on, so let me just take that off. So you're going to take off your reins. If your reins are like mine, and you don't have to take the reins off, you can just take them forward like that. But I like to take them off. It's a lot easier this way. So you just take your reins off. I don't know if you can even see me. Okay. Then you're going to undo your throat latch. Come back here. Undo the throat latch. Like that. Then, you want to be very gentle with this part because you want to bang your teeth. So you take it off, go down real slow, and that's how you take off the bridle. And also, after a long ride, they like to be groomed afterward. I use my medium brush. She's like, I'm getting out of here. So after that, you can just groom where the saddle was and use a cloth, get the sweat off, or a sweat scraper, however much sweat is on them. You can also do their face to get the bridle itchies off. What? She's like, I'm done with this. And of course, another very important thing that you want to do after untacking is put everything away. You don't want to leave brushes laying around or anything. So, I'm just going to go put everything away, and that's it. I hope this video has helped you learn how to tack your horse. Hope this video was better than the last one. Hope it was easier to understand. Hope I was talking loud enough. And hope I gave you some good tips. And if you even watched the whole video, I thank you for watching it. It means a lot. Hey, sugar. So, yep, that's how you English tack. I don't have a breast collar yet, but I will be getting one soon. Just to have it, and plus it's a rule in show jumping to have a breast collar on. For most places anyway, it's a rule. So, just gonna go get everything, put it all away, and I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope it helped. Have a good day, stay safe, and goodbye.